Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I discuss about my feedback page. So that I make my feedback page by using HTML and my friend also, that is AI, ChatGPT or Copilot. Okay, so let's see what is the page. So that is the my feedback page. It is using it is made by using of HTML only. So let's discuss about this page. This is the submit button by using of H1 heading one tag, and also after I use a start tag, and here I use this menus navigations menus that is made by there is also in anchor tag. I use an anchor tag, so link my videos, link my pages to this page, and after I use again SR tag, and after I use the name tag name for the feedback purpose that any person have the name and he want to what he want to give the HTMLs or CSS JavaScript feedback about, and after it I give the rating column, that is good, average, and poor. After it I give my your feedback that is user can input, and uh, after I use the check for clicking this, and you can also update for my sites, and after I use submit button, and this is the footer tag by using that to a 1025 footer. Okay, so let's see what's the code of this page. Okay, guys. First of all, I start from tab HTML, that is one rate also known as. And after I use title tag for my tab button text, that is submit feedback. After I use body tag for the page, we use body tag to write all the things in the pages. So okay, and body tag I use header tag for my page heading as one submit feedback. I give also a color, that is red style by using a style tag style attribute. And after I use a header tag, close header tag, and use nav tag for my linking other pages to this page. And after I close UL, and after I close nav, I use HR again for giving a horizontal line to my page. After I start the main tag for using this, I use form tag normally. This this is all the form that I use. Here it is this. Okay, form. In form, I use label tag for the name, and I give it the name, and input type text, that is the text ID name, ID search name, phone name is same, and I also give it. I don't give it to the placeholder. I don't write placeholder in this name tag, form tag. Okay, we can use the placeholder. Okay, that for writing the text like this placeholder. Right, that's it. Again, you can see this is the it is showing this on the inside of the box. Okay, so this is the placeholders means. After I use label tag again for the email, and input tab email to the email, that is the email. We use email input type for only email IDs. We use special characters and dot like dot at the rate and at etc. I can also give it the placeholder. Email here. Okay. Let's see. Yes, you can see that your email here. After I use label again, so course type, what course type you want to choose. You could type radio. I use radio for choosing only one. I give you options many, but you choose only one. Okay, that kind I use radio
होता है लेकिन थोड़ा
tag.
इसको हिला के चार्ज होता है इसका
Okay. Mm, after you choose and the
ये आपका ही है
radio HTML name course. Okay, second type is
हाँ 400 हो रहा है
CSS,
अब होगा
HTML and CSS, JS.
मेरा करो
Okay,
एक ही में करंट आ रहा है हाँ हाँ मेरा करो ए
and after I use the JS, also the use label for JS, that is JavaScript label, and after to close
कहाँ है ये है
the label tag and give the BR tag for using line break. Okay, and after that I use label tag again for giving the rating. This okay. Uh, It is also called the selecting of one thing only. It is, but it is another tab like list tab radio tab we use like button tab or tick tab only. Tick tab, and label for rating options. This is the list tabs. Okay. Uh, Again, I used label for rating type rating, select ID rating for the
अभी तो यूज नहीं कर रहा
rating. Okay,
मोबाइल कर रहे हो ना उसको लगा
I give it options for this and like many options: excellent, good, average, poor. That is the rating options, and I use the selected for this, and also include the break gap between the page. Text. I use BR two times only. Okay. And this is the I also check other list tab choosing category. Okay. After I use label for feedback, that is this your feedback. This is also tab text area. Label for feedback. We use text area ID. That is feedback. Row 450. It is another item. Rows four rows. Okay, I understand. If I refresh it, okay, it gave me four rows like this. One, two, three, four lines or 50 words. And right in the box. Okay, that is common resource. Type checkbox. That is the checkbox. Use ID subscribe, then subscribe, level for this, and subscribe for updates. Okay, and that is this. Subscribe for updates. I can use upper side this. Here, it I cut it and then again tick is inside. Okay, uh, good. This is the good. Okay, and I use button for submit the button. I can also use button for this button type set for this. if I had write wrong things in the form, so I can also reset it. And if the form is good, and so I can submit it. Okay. This is it. This is hang on. Yes. I close form tag and when tag also. I use the footer tag from the last page and the bottom of this. One copyright my page P by using paragraph and copy the full page of my feedback form. So guys, what's about you? How you think it is good or bad? You can comment also. You describe about this page and suggest me all things about this page, many or more things about this page. Okay, guys, thank you, guys. We will meet you soon in next video. So, guys, take care and goodbye.